Welcome to From Click to Client, where we transform a confusing message into a clear, compelling story that sells. I'm your host, Kris Jones, StoryBrand marketing expert. I'm here to help you attract more dream clients with the power of story. If you're frustrated with your website conversion rates, you are not alone. Most service providers are making 5 critical mistakes without realizing it. Let's fix them together. Mistake number 1, navigation overload. Think about how you use your phone. You scroll quickly, you make quick decisions, yet most websites force visitors to click through multiple pages, losing attention at every turn. The fix? One seamless story that flows. Someone lands on your page and they can gather all the information they need through scrolling through that home page, and that answers all their questions, and then they're excited about taking the next step toward working with you. Like a Netflix show that's designed for binge watching, your website should flow naturally from problem to solution. Mistake number 2, generic messaging. Listen to this. We leverage innovative solutions to optimize your business outcomes. What does that even mean? Industry jargon and vague promises kill connection instantly. Instead, use your client's exact words. When they say, "I'm working harder than ever, but barely breaking even," make that your headline, and they'll feel instantly understood. Mistake number 3, visual chaos. Too many fonts, too many colors, too many competing elements. This creates mental fatigue. Your website shouldn't look like Times Square at midnight. The solution is strategic simplicity. Use white space intentionally. Guide the eyes with clear hierarchy. Every element should serve your story. Mistake number 4, weak calls to action. Learn more or contact us buttons are way too vague. Instead, offer a clear next step that promises value. Get your path to freedom blueprint or book your money-making messaging call. Then show a simple 3-step path to success. Mistake number 5, poor social proof. Jane is great. She's so professional. These generic testimonials might as well be invisible. Transform them into mini client success stories. For example, before working with Jane, I was working 60-hour work weeks and barely breaking even. Now I work 30 hours and make twice as much. That shows the transformation that your clients have experienced without talking all about you. These fixes aren't just theory. I've seen them double and triple conversion rates for hundreds of service providers. Ready to transform your website? Schedule a money-making messaging call with me at reddoorstories.com. That's reddoorstories.com. Let's turn your website into your most powerful sales tool. And remember, your website isn't just a digital business card. It's your 24/7 salesperson. Make it work as hard as you do. Is your website turning away potential clients? I can help you turn that around. Book a money-making messaging call with me today, and we'll transform your story into your most powerful sales tool. That's all for this episode of From Click to Client. Don't forget to subscribe and follow. I'm Kris Jones, and I'll see you next time.